Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between Interactive Brokers or Trading212. I want to tell you one thing before starting this comparison video, and that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are fine, and in today's video, I will tell you the differences on 5 different topics on both platforms. And then, hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly which platform will fit you the best. Because the best platform really depends on your experience level, your investing goals, how often you trade, and whether you want something simple or something more professional. So let's start right here with the main focus. The main focus on Interactive Broker is global investing and professional trading. Then, if you look to Trading212, there we have a commission-free investing and CFD trading app. But be careful, it's not completely commission-free because they are having spreads. So even when a platform says commission-free, you still need to check how the platform makes money. Because costs can also come through spreads, currency conversion, overnight fees, or other trading conditions. If you look to Interactive Brokers is the best for advanced traders and global investors. And Trading212 is the best for beginner and long-term ETF investors. So if you are already experienced and you want access to many global markets, different order types, and more control over your investing, Interactive Brokers can be a very strong choice. But if you are just starting out and you mainly want to buy stocks or ETFs for the long term, Trading212 can feel easier and less overwhelming. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Brokers has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, and global markets. And Trading212 has stocks, ETFs, fractional shares, CFDs, and simple investing tools. This means Interactive Brokers gives you more advanced products and more professional trading possibilities. Trading212 keeps things simpler, which can be useful if you do not need complex tools, and you only want to build a basic investing portfolio step by step. If you look to the interface, Interactive Brokers is powerful, professional, and more complex if you ask me. And Trading212 is very simple, mobile-first, and beginner-friendly. So when you decide to start investing, and you're a complete beginner, I think you can better start with Trading212. The reason is that a simple interface can help you understand the basics faster, such as buying stocks, investing in ETFs, checking your portfolio, and learning how markets move without getting lost in too many advanced features. If you look right here to the fees and trading costs, Interactive Broker has low commissions, tight spreads, and margin interest for leverage trading. And Trading212 has commission-free stock and ETF investing. CFD trading uses spreads and overnight fees, so keep that in mind. This is a very important point, because fees can affect your results over time. If you invest for the long term, lower fees can help you keep more of your returns. And if you trade CFDs, you should be extra careful, because spreads and overnight fees can add up quickly, especially if you hold positions for more than one day. So if you ask me, choose Interactive Brokers if you want a global market access, very low trading cost, and a professional platform for active or international investing. This is a good option if you are serious about trading, want access to many countries and markets, and feel comfortable using a more advanced platform. And choose Trading212 if you want a simple, commission-free investing app for stocks and ETFs, and an easy mobile experience and optional CFD trading. This is a good option if you are a beginner, if you want to invest from your phone, if you like a clean app experience, or if you want to start with smaller amounts through fractional shares. So hopefully, after watching this video, you know exactly right now which platform is the best for you to choose. The simple way to think about it is this. Interactive Brokers is better for advanced and international investors, while Trading212 is easier for beginners and long-term ETF investors. Therefore, now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.